Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove birthdays from showing up in your Google Calendar. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This opens the side menu. Now scroll down a bit until you see a list of calendar under your account. Look for the one labeled birthdays. If it has a check mark next to it, that means birthdays are currently showing in your calendar. To remove birthdays from your calendar, simply tap the check mark next to birthday to uncheck it. That's it, birthday will no longer appear on your calendar view. Now go back to calendar. You might need to swipe down to refresh it and all the birthdays events should be gone now. And that's it. That's how you remove birthday from showing on your Google Calendar mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.